4 rules to live by as a swing trader. Rule number 1, amateurs mark the open and pros mark the close. What do we mean by this? Usually in the opens, things can be very volatile. Lots of dumb money amateurs in there, buying, selling, whatever they're doing. The close is where the pros start to come in. You start to see whether a stock's going to be uptrending the next day or downtrending the next day. So really keep an eye on that close because it can tell you or at least give you a couple hints of what might happen the next day. Rule number 2, take profits often. You gotta ring the cash register when the stock is on the way up. You have to sell into strength. It's super important. Doesn't mean sell all your shares, but at least take some off the table. This will help you reduce your risk and put some money back in your pocket for the next trade. Very important. Numero 3, never let a winner turn into a loser. Now this goes hand in hand with rule number 2. If you're up 5, 10, 15% in a name, there's absolutely no reason that should turn into a loser. You gotta make sure that you're taking profits on the way up to protect yourself and really follow that rule. This is where trailing stops come in handy. As the stock is going up, so is your stop. That way, if it does come down, you get out for a profit instead of losing all those gains that you worked hard to get. Rule number 4, average winners, not losers. If you're losing in a stock, cut your losses quickly. Buy it back on the way up. It's a lot simpler than trying to hold and hope and buy more and all this kind of stuff. Now, when it comes to your winners, you can definitely look to average up. Just wait for the proper setups. Let them consolidate again, give you another opening, and then you can buy. Average winners, not losers. 4 rules to live by. Love them, learn them, like them, do all that stuff. Okay? Love ya. Bye. If you're in a trade and it's going down on you and you're down, it's not going down on you. That's so horrible. Now, what you want to do with your winners, stop it. Damn it, Garrett. Damn it.